Hey gang, quick video. For those of you that are new here, I'm Moose and this is Shenanigan Hub. I ended up taking about a 2-year break from YouTube. I had some work stuff coming up. I kind of had to leave, go work out of town for a while, so kind of had to put the whole thing on hold. Not hugely fond of the idea, but it's what happened. Life happened, so I'm not just going to sit here and ramble forever and wear you all out, but I had to kind of restart. But I'm back and I have a lot of things in the plans and I'm super excited to get going. For those of you that don't know, this channel is kind of about ridiculously overbuilt DIY projects. Me learning how to be a woodworker, which I'm kind of in the beginning phases, but I'm learning, and so I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. I do a lot of chickens, ducks, fish, stuff like that. I actually got a new puppy, which I'm extremely excited to show you guys. And it's actually the very next video I'm making. So yeah, we kind of had to push the reset button, but we're back and it's time to start building. So go look over the channel and like and subscribe, and let's get this party started.